Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's know how to embroider a beautiful little bird. After fixing the thread, let's start with long and short stitch. Here I'm using a kind of irregular long and short stitch. I have done detailed procedure of this kind of stitching in my previous videos. I'll provide the links of that videos in the description. Long and short stitch is a form of freestyle embroidery, often used for shading, filling, and thread artworks. First of all, stitch the guideline stitches, then try to fill the gaps between these stitches. Just take this into consideration that not to insert the needle in the hole made by previous stitch. You can either pierce the stitch in previous row or end up in between two stitches of the previous row. Let's know the direction of stitching. In irregular method of stitching, you have the convenience to stitch in any direction. Like you can stitch in straight manner or diagonally to make a look of a bird's fur or an animal's fur. Mostly I use single strand of thread to get the smooth finish. To give the fluffy look for the feather, 6 strands will work best. After giving the outline, just fill it with satin stitch. So here is a birdie. Please try this and let me know your experiences as comments. Thank you for watching.